Hello, my dear students of Class 6A. The last link was broken. That is why I couldn't come to you live. Am I audible? But the first one is, am I audible? Is my audio and video fine? We can just check my audio and video are fine. If it is fine, then we will move on with. Okay, it's yes. Okay, now there are so many technicalities involved in making this one. The first thing is about actually a Mentimeter. The Mentimeter does not support more than 5 slides. What is a Mentimeter? Is it will be visible on your screen and visible on your phone too. So both of you can, me and you can play the quiz in the same time. But that's not happening because it's not unlimited. It has only 5 slides. So what will we do now is we'll go through some 10 to 15 questions here. I'll post it in your chat box. You just have to type the options of the answer. Whoever gets it first, because my internet is working fine. So whoever comments, I get it first, will be the first one to reply to the answer. And if it is correct, he is the first one to reply. Is it fine? Shall we begin? If everybody is there, we can begin the quiz. Right? Let me go to. Right. Okay. Now, this is the first question that we have. What is the name given to the full moon? A. Amavasya. B. Purnima. C. Both A and B. D. None of this. Okay. You can type the answer. You can give the option also. A, B, C, D. Okay. This is Vaishnavi. I think it's Vaishnavi. All of you know the answer. It's Purnima. Yesterday was Purnima. 26th of April. You might have seen the pink moon also, the pink super moon. Not Amavasya, it is Purnima. The full moon is Purnima. The new moon is Amavasya. Let me go to the second question. This is the second question. Hold on there. Right here. Now, it is. Yeah. The celestial bodies which have their own heat and light are called A. Planets, B. Stars, C. Satellites, D. All of these. What are the celestial bodies which have their own heat and light called? Is it planets, stars, satellites, all of these? Stars. Okay, Akanksh is on the first one, now followed by Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, is it planets which have their own heat and light? Planets do not have their own heat and light. Okay, this is, oh, a lot of them are going with A. Star. Akanksh is right. That's stars. And I think Dhyan, the next one to be writing star. Ram Prasad, what I'm hoping it's Pranati. Star. Okay. Suhas T. Suhas is from class 11th standard. What is he doing here? Bhuvan. Right. It's the stars. Stars is the right answer. Well done, boys. Now let me go to the next one. This is an easy question. Which is the most recognizable constellation? Oh, all right. Yeah. Which is the most recognizable constellation? Is it the A, Saptarshi, B, the moon, C, the sun, D, the Mars? Which is the most recognizable constellation? Okay, Akanksha. Oh, faster. Saptarshi, Vaishnavi, Saptarshi, Nandan, also Saptarshi. Right, you are. Oh, Nihal, not B, not the moon. It's the Saptarshi, constellation, Saptarshi. Okay, let me go to the next question. Don't worry, even if a few people are participating, it's fine because it's very much needed to know who are participating. Okay, let me go to the next question, shall we? Oh, all right. Here's the question. Last year we did this for the whole year. The star which indicates the north is called as what? A. Pole star, B. Pole, C. North Pole, D. South Pole. Babina Yadav. I think it's Nishita Yadav. Nishita Yadav, right? Nihal. Yes, it is A. Pole star. Yes, it is pole star. Pole star indicates the direction of north. Let me go to the next one. Easy questions these are, and because they have options with it, it's also easy to write them down too. This is the next question. The celestial bodies which do not have their own heat and light, and but are lit by the light of the stars. They do not have their own heat and light, but they consume, or they are reflecting the light from the stars. Which are they? A, stars; B, planets; C, both A and B; D, none of this. Okay, I reached the answer. The first one to answer is Sandhya Satish. Whose parent ID is this? Sandhya Satish. It is planets, Akamsh. True. Planets. Dhyan, planet. Pranati, planet. Vikyat, again, planet. Nandan, true. Oh, that is Sanvi. Okay, Sanvi, got it. It's parent ID. Oh, let me go to the next one. This is a little difficult. Let's remember. Okay, the next question. The word planet has been derived from the word planetae, which is named as a Latin. Is planetae a Latin word, German word, Greek word, or an English word? Oh, Babina Yadav is Daksha Kumar. I thought Nishita Yadav. Oh, fine, Daksha. I got it. What is it? It's a Greek word, it's not a German word. So I think Sanvi with Greek word. Akanksh again with Greek word. Sanvi is the first one to answer to this one. Akanksh is the second one, and I think Vikyat is the third one. So Greek word it is. You have to be faster with the keyboard, boys. It is easy that way. Okay, let me go again to the next question. All the planets move around the sun in a fixed elliptical path. What are those elliptical paths called as? All the planets move around the sun in fixed elliptical path. These paths are called axis, orbit, both A and B, none of this. What are they called? Is it orbit? Is it axis? Both A and B, or D, none of this? Orbit. Oh, Tanvi is the first one to reply. Tanvi, Vaishnavi, Akanksh. Okay, somebody's still writing Greek word. Okay, that's the last question. Okay, got it. It's orbit. Orbit is the right answer. Well done, boys and girls. Well done. Now, let me go to the next one. Why is the shape of the Earth geoid? A, it is slightly flattened at the poles. It's a spheroid at the poles. Both A and B, D, none of this. Why it is called a geoid? A, it is slightly flattened at the poles. Akansh with A. Okay, others, what are you writing? Okay, Bhuvan, right? Vaishnavi, right? ये सुहास हमारे क्लास में है क्या? सुहास का ब्रदर सुहास T. Who is using the ID Suhas T? And We Legends. कौन है? We Legends अलग अलग नाम है, हमारे बच्चे नहीं है इसमें. Okay, Kanksh, Bhuvan, and Vaishnavi got it right. Let me go to the next one. The Earth is called a unique planet, right? We know it. Why it is called a unique planet? The Earth is called a unique planet due to A, neither too not cold, presence of air and water, oxygen, light supporting gas, and all of this. What is the right answer? Okay, Vaishnavi with D, Pranati, Akanksh with B. Okay, that's a change. Okay, the right answer is D. D is the right answer. Akanksh and Pranati got it wrong. Is this quiz open to all? Tejasvi, it's not open to all. It is for 6th standard. Sorry to mention, actually, it is for 6th standard. Sir, it is me, Ria. This is my brother's channel. Ria. Okay, that means this is Vamshi's channel. We Legends. Okay. Deepa. Siddhappa is Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi. Okay, Nidhi. Well done. Okay. This is a problem with the parent ID, right? You log in into YouTube with your parent ID. That's the thing. कोई बात नहीं, बढ़िया. The Earth is called a blue planet because of the presence of what? Very easy one. The Earth is called a blue planet because of the presence of A, water. Is it because B, blue color, C, brown color, or D, red color? Yes, Arnav, hello. Water. Akansh, that's the right answer. Water. Sanidhya Radhakrishnan. Who uses this Santya Radhakrishnan ID? Can you please mention your name? Nandan, Vaishnavi, Sanika, Sandhya Satish, Sanvi, that is right. The and Nidhi. Water is the right answer. Okay, that is Sanvi A. Okay, Sanvi, well done. Just mention your name. I'll remember next. Okay, let me go to the question. Why do we see only one side of the moon from the Earth? What you see, what you saw yesterday is only the one side of the moon. We see that side of the moon only. Why do we see only the one side of the moon from the Earth? Is it because of the moon moving around the sun in 27 days? Or 27 days also taken in one spin? Both A and B and D, none of this. What is the answer? Okay, Akang says both. Okay, the first one to get the right answer is Akansh with both. And Bhuvan, again both. Not A, it is both. It's both. It revolves and rotates. One spin takes the same time. That is why you will see only one side of the moon every time that you see. Okay, let me go to the next question. I will wrap it up quickly, right? This is the asteroids. Regarding asteroids, asteroids are found in the orbits between the planets Jupiter and which planet? Mars. Is it Earth, Venus, Neptune? Between which and which planet? Jupiter and which planet will you find the asteroid belt? Is it Mars and Jupiter? Okay, that's where is the Mars? A. Okay, I got it. This is Daksh Kumar from A, okay, for A, and it is Kirtana A, Nandan A, Vaishnavi, Sanvi, Tanvi, Deep, Nidhi, Pranati. Fine, everybody got it right. That's the right answer. Okay, I think let me go for the last one. This is the last question, boys. Hold on here. This is the last question. Ready? All right. What is called a cluster of millions of stars shining white in the starry sky? Is it the stars, the planets, the Milky Way galaxy, or the satellites? Easy one. C, the Milky Way galaxy. Tanvi goes for the first one. Vaishnavi, Akansh. Suhas also answering. Okay, Sanvi, Pranati, Nidhi, Bhuvan. Okay, everybody got it. It's C. We can't not Mars. It is Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy is the right answer. Lucy D'Souza. I think the Ethan D'Souza. A lot of 7th, 10th, and all are joining here. Okay, that concludes the quiz. This is not the way I wanted to do because I wanted to do it more with much more control on the quiz. But somehow we had to take care of the chapter, right? So I hope you enjoyed the quiz. The next time we will be back for some other chapter for quiz. Until then, it's goodbye from me. Sorry for the delay that happened, the technical problem that happened in the beginning. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. We'll see you later in the next chapter. Thank you so much for joining, all of you for joining the quiz. And thank you so much and see you later. Bye bye, boys and girls.